Okay, today what we're going to do is that we are going to use the air fryer to actually deep fry this 1 kilo of the chicken meat joint wing. Okay, so this meat joint wing has been marinated with the powder, one by one. After we filled the tray with all the joint wing, and we still have some left over because we can't fit to the top, otherwise we will end up with either side being underfried in a sense. Okay, so now we're going to place it into the air fryer and we are ready to set it to 200 degrees, and we'll give it around 20 minutes, and at the 10 minute we will flip it, we'll open it and then flip it over, right? So 20 minutes first. Okay, we are now at 10 minutes and we are ready to actually flip it over. Now let's open this. Golden fried on one side, so I'm going to flip it over one by one. Okay, this after we flip it over, you can see that it's still a bit raw. Now we will just insert it in for another 10 minutes. Okay, we are done. Let's take a look. Wow, very nice. Okay, let's take it out one by one. Okay, this is the final product that we get from frying the meat joint wing for 20 minutes. So you can see that it's like almost like deep fried but without the oil. Alright, so we should be enjoying it very soon. Right, that's all for today. Bye.